Welcome everyone. Today's case study is titled Magnet Mission, India's Rare Earth Push for EVs and Chips. Published on December 1st, 2025, this case highlights how India is taking strategic steps to strengthen its manufacturing capabilities in electric vehicles and semiconductor technologies. This isn't just a policy update. It represents a major shift in India's industrial and technological strategy, especially as global competition intensifies. This case is important for multiple groups. For students, it demonstrates how industrial policy can shape emerging technology ecosystems. For faculty, it provides real-world examples of supply chain strategy, global competitiveness, and policy design. For industry stakeholders, it signals growth opportunities in a government-backed R7280 crore market focused on high-demand critical materials like rare earth magnets. These magnets are small in size, but their strategic significance is enormous. India's push for rare earth permanent magnets, REPMs, is crucial for reducing supply chain risks in electric vehicles, wind turbines, semiconductors, and defense equipment. Currently, India imports most REPMs, leading to cost vulnerabilities and strategic dependence. Addressing these challenges is vital for securing India's position in critical industries and leveraging government-backed market opportunities. Rare earth permanent magnets, AREPMs, are vital for electric vehicle motors, wind turbines, semiconductors, and advanced defense equipment. Currently, India heavily relies on imports, leading to supply chain risks, cost vulnerabilities, and strategic dependence on a few nations. Addressing these challenges is crucial for strengthening India's industrial capabilities and reducing external dependencies. India's Union Cabinet has approved a R7280 crore scheme to boost domestic rare earth permanent magnet REPM capacity. The target is 6,000 metric tons annually through 5 globally bid projects. A dual support structure offers sales-linked incentives and capital subsidies, ensuring performance-based rewards and upfront support for infrastructure development over 7 years. India's strategy involves transforming raw rare earth oxides into finished magnets. This process includes metals extraction, refining, and alloy production. The goal is to reduce import dependence and meet growing demands from electric vehicles, renewable energy, industrial electronics, and defense sectors. By controlling the entire value chain, India aims to capture more economic value domestically. The scheme is funded with R6450 crore in sales-linked incentives and R750 crore for plant establishment. It targets a 6,000 metric ton annual capacity, with each of the 5 projects capped at 1,200 metric tons. India's rare earth permanent magnet consumption is set to double by 2030, driven by electric vehicles, clean energy, and industrial electronics demand. Rare earth permanent magnets, REPMs, are now strategic materials vital for defense autonomy. Geopolitical tensions can disrupt global supply chains, making domestic capacity crucial. Control over rare earths enhances India's strategic position, supporting the Net Zero 2070 goal. Critical sectors like electric vehicles, electronics, and defense systems rely on secure supply chains for strategic autonomy and renewable infrastructure. Industry leaders like Mayank Srivastava and Raju Goel emphasize the importance of this initiative, likening it to building semiconductor fabs. It targets foundational supply chain vulnerabilities, focusing on upstream manufacturing rather than just assembly. This strategic integration enhances self-reliance in electronics and semiconductors, addressing core components crucial for advanced manufacturing. India's journey from policy to operational plants demands advanced metallurgy expertise and specialized process knowledge. Technology transfer is crucial. Environmental norms require robust waste management to balance growth with sustainability. Competing with East Asian giants necessitates quality and cost efficiency. Policy coordination across electric vehicle, chip, defense, and mining ministries is essential for a coherent industrial strategy. India's industrial policy focuses on moving up the global value chain, emphasizing Atmanirbhar Bharat for strategic industries. Key considerations include balancing supply diversification with self-reliance. Critical questions involve tracking success metrics, deciding between export or domestic focus, de-risking investments amid evolving technology, and forming strategic partnerships with foreign firms and research institutes. Rare earth magnets are crucial yet often overlooked in electric vehicles, chips, and defense systems. India's 7,280 Crore initiative targets comprehensive domestic manufacturing, focusing on upstream supply chain vulnerabilities. Success hinges on technology access, environmental management, and disciplined execution across ministries. The Magnet mission is India's strategic move towards supply chain sovereignty.